Hello, children. So, here I am with my first video of GK for class 3, and the name of the book is Curiosity. This is by Bookland. So, let's start. As you can see, in the contents, the first chapter is Human Body, and the second chapter is Facts about Animals, but then Facts about Animals is given first, so we will start with that chapter itself. Okay, so turn to page number 8. And what is the topic? So we are supposed to be actually discussing mammals and reptiles. So do you know what are mammals, children? First, listen to me. Mammals are animals which give birth to their young ones, and reptiles are the one which lay eggs. This is the basic difference between mammals and reptiles. Okay, and one more very simple difference which I will tell you. I personally find it easy for me to find out which is a mammal and reptile is mammals have hair on their body, while reptiles, they have just got skin. They don't have hair on their body. Okay, see this also. Does it have hair? No, so it is a reptile. Does it have a hair? Yes, so it is a cat. It is a mammal. Are you understanding? Again, look at this example. Crocodile. Does it have hair on the body? No. Does this have hair on the body? Yes. So he is a mammal. It is a mammal and it is a reptile. It gives birth to the young crocodile? No. Does it give eggs? Lay eggs? Yes. So it is a reptile. And does dog lay eggs? Have you seen dog's egg? No. So this is a mammal because it gives birth to young puppies. Clear, children? And this, does it have hair? Yes. So it is a mammal. And does it lay eggs? No. It gives birth to young monkeys. What is this? Is it a reptile? Or is it a mammal? Does it crawl? Yes, it crawls. So all the animals which crawl are actually reptiles. Does this elephant crawl? No. Does elephant lay eggs? No. So it is a mammal. So are you clear? What are the two easy difference I told? First, you have to know whether it has hair on the body. Okay. And then you can just think aloud. Does it lay eggs or give birth to the young ones? Second difference. And one more difference is these animals, reptiles, they crawl. Okay, they don't walk. Understanding? And another difference is the mammals have warm blood. Their blood, if you see or if you touch the body, like ours, if we touch our body, it's warm. It has a temperature. Okay, and we have hair on our body. This is a natural condition of our body. We have hair. Okay, we are mammals. We don't lay eggs, isn't it? So, but the reptiles, the ones which crawl, which don't have hair on the body, they are cold-blooded. Have you touched a snake? Yes, I have touched a snake, and their body is cold and sticky. And it's like very scary, I have touched it. These animals are cold. They don't have like the temperature like our body has. Understanding, children? So what you are supposed to do in this chapter, all those which are mammals, which I have already told you how to identify, you will put a small m inside the circles, and all the reptiles you will put a R, capital R. Okay.